In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an effective and customized audit form using Tally. So, creating a well-structured form can streamline your audit process, whether you're evaluating websites, social media strategies, or business operations. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Tally.so website. Once you're there, sign in to your account to get started. Creating a form in Tally.so is a straightforward process. Look for the option to create a new form and click on it. This will be the foundation for your audit. Naming your form is important as it gives context to what you're evaluating. Consider calling it something intuitive like website audit, social media audit, or perhaps business process audit, depending on your needs. Now that you've set up your form, it's time to dive into adding the questions. Tally.so offers a variety of field types that make it easy to gather comprehensive data. For starters, you can include multiple choice questions, which are perfect for simple yes or no questions, or ratings, whether on a scale of 1 to 5 or 1 to 10. For responses requiring more depth, opt for open text fields where detailed answers or feedback can be provided. If you're in need of supplementary documents or visuals, the file upload field is invaluable. It allows clients to upload screenshots or documents directly into the form. To gauge performance or opinions dynamically, incorporate a scale or slider field, which prompts respondents to rate aspects based on their experience. Once your questions are set, it's essential to organize them into coherent sections. For a thorough audit, consider breaking the form into separate pages dedicated to different audit areas such as marketing, operations, or design. This segmentation not only helps structure your form, but also makes it less daunting for the respondent by focusing their attention on one section at a time. Now, for those looking to enhance their form's interactivity, Tally.so offers an optional feature called conditional logic. This feature makes your form dynamic by altering questions based on previous inputs. For instance, if a client answers a question that needs improvement, you can trigger a follow-up question specific to their response, allowing for a more tailored experience. After setting up your form, don't worry about compiling the responses manually. Tally automatically saves all submitted forms directly to your dashboard. For further data analysis or hearing, you can connect your to Google Sheets, Notehead, or Airtable, facilitating simpler reporting and tracking of responses. If there's a monetization aspect to your audits, Tally provides an option to add a payment block by any type. This ensures that clients must complete their payment before being able to submit their responses, streamlining your billing process. Finally, once you're satisfied with your form, it's time to publish it. Share the form with your intended audience through your social channels